Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2022. What is printed by the following ANSI C program? Means they have given here few lines of code in the main method. Okay, and they're expecting what is the output is going to be printed, right? So they have given one printf statement. So they are trying to print the character C, D, E. So before that they have initialized 5 character data types like A, B, C, D, E, and they're asking for what is printed by C, D, E. Okay, every C program is going to start execution from the main method, and this main method is somewhat different from the previous methods. Means if you would like to take any input from the command prompt for the C program, then you can go for character like array of pointers we can able to use. So this we can simply call it as a 2D array only. Means whatever data that we are trying to send, that data will be stored in 2 dimensional. And here 5 variables they have defined. One is p character, x character, and they have given certain kind of expression. Okay, fine. So how internally system will store your data? System will store data in the form of ASCII values. ASCII value, right? So the ASCII value of 65 is 65 ASCII value is for a, right? But for us we require it for the capital P, right? So in order to get for capital P, the ASCII value is 80, right? I mean, generally the number for P is 16, right? Count. Padharala vaisu, we can call it as P for Padharala vaisu. So simply you can remember it as 16, right? 65, A is 65, and for P it is 80. 80. So that 80 is going to store as ASCII value. Again, it will store in the form of binary values. Am I right? Yes. Means, so you have to write down ASCII value for 80, right? So ASCII value for 80, you can binary value for 80 is 240s 0, 220s 0, 210s zeros, 25s zeros, 22s ones, 2 1s are 2 0, right? So you have to write from bottom to top. So if you are going to represent in the 8-bit system, uh, 4 zeros followed by 101 followed by 0. So this is the 80, right? And similarly for x, the ASCII value is 120m. So if you are able to find out the binary number for 120, you will get 0 triple 1 1 triple 0. Okay, fine. See, means system will store data in the form of ASCII values. Internal will store it in the form of binary system. That's why we converted into binary format. Because why I have specifically converted means, because if you observe the character C variable is going to show this expression. Means I am trying to perform here A and B. A and B. What is A? So if you would like to apply bitwise AND operator, this AND operation is going to perform on bits, not directly on values. That's why I converted the ASCII value into respect to bit format. So 0 1 0 1 4 zeros, 0 triple 1 1 triple 0, right? Bitwise AND means right? When both are true, then only the result will be true. Otherwise, the result will be false. So you are going to get this as a result, right? So this as a result, right? So if you observe this 0 triple 0 1 0 1 and 4 zeros is equivalent to 80 only, equivalent to 81. So up to here we did A and B, we did, right? On this, addition operation is going to be done. Addition operation on numerical value will act as a normal addition operator, right? So in order to perform the star for ASCII value is 42. 80 plus 42 is 122. 122. So this is again an ASCII value the system is going to treat, right? So meaning that if I am going to print C character, I am going to print C character, if I will write like percentage d comma c, you are going to get the value 122. But they are asking here percentage c comma c, meaning that again it is going to convert into the alphabet format, character format. So what is 122? 122 is small j. 122 is small j, right? So directly we can put the answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, let us try to solve the remaining also, right? So next expression is A or B. Instead of AND operation, we have A or B, right? A or B means, bitwise OR operation. When bitwise OR operation, you can able to write when both are false, then only the result will be false. So here, this will be false, 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 true, 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 false. False. So this number will look like same as B, means B value is again 120. On this 120, they are trying to subtract negative symbol. Negative symbol ASCII value is 45. So 120 minus 45 is 85. 45 is 85, right? So if they are trying to print percentage d comma d means you will get 85 only, but they are asking here percentage c comma d. So meaning that again it is going to convert into alphabet format. So what is the character which is referring to the ASCII value of 85? You have to calculate. So P is 80. Wait 1 minute. 120 minus, sorry, this should be 75, right? So P is 80. So you are going to get before P only. So I think it is K. It is K, right? So because here itself you have answer, right? K. And similarly you have to follow this one, right? Cap operator. Cap operator represents XOR operation. Okay. So if you are able to find out the XOR operation between these, when both are same, the result will be true. Otherwise, the result will be false, right? So 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. You have to do this, and for that you are going to add plus like 43. You have to add. So you will get yes as answer. Okay. So you have to make hard and fast rule. That is, if you are going to perform bitwise operation on ASCII value, bitwise is going to perform on bits. Whereas normal arithmetic operation is going to perform on directly values. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.